Hi guys, welcome back to Goodwill. We're going to show you a new concept we designed here. And what we're going to show you is to make a living wall, a Christmas living wall, and we're going to do it in the Winter Frost collection. So what is good is to have a wooden structure, the size that you want to make your living wall. Also good to have it raised a bit off the other wall because we're going to drill in and also staple in. And it's good to have an assistant. This is AV. And we're going to use light up garlands to create the back of the living wall. There you go, AV. And what is good is, really, you have to really fluff them out first. And these are frosted garlands, so they'll be fantastic as a back for the wall. And you know, you can put them in straight, but it's better to make it look natural. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with one and maybe end up with 4 going. And also when you're putting them in, if you start like that, raise it up a bit, so then you have like pockets for branches and birds, etc. So Avi's gonna drill in the first bit. And also remember, all the plugs, it's better to have them all coming out together. And then Avi's gonna twist that around. Perfect. So then we're gonna fluff this out. And so like here, really with the wire, because it has wire, lift it away from the wall. Then maybe, because I want all the plugs to end up here, so maybe we're going to come over this way a bit, because then the next one we can maybe bring an overlap and come down. So here, maybe a little raise bit. Now Avi's going to do some staples in. Bam. Perfect. So then we want to end up with the corner. Again, we wind that around. Yeah. Always fluff it out to the best you can. So see, that'll be our first garland. So then the next one, maybe I'm going to start here and come through and down. So we really fill it.